Hello dear students, I am Dr. Vibha Agrawal, your English teacher. Welcome back to my English class. This lecture is in continuation with my previous lecture in which we discussed the major parts of the lesson, My Lost Dollar. Today we will discuss the last paragraph and some important questions. Before we start, let us first recapitulate what we have learned so far. Todd borrows $1 from Leacock but forgets to return it. On many occasions, Leacock tries his best to remind Todd of the borrowed dollar but fails. Then he convinces himself that he is not going to get his $1 back. Meanwhile, a thought came into his mind that just as Todd had borrowed $1 from him and forgotten, similarly, he also would have taken money from someone and would have forgotten to return him. At the end, he reveals his plan to start a movement named Back to Honesty. He wants to pay all those dollars he borrowed when he was in need of money. He says one must remember that honesty is the strong foundation upon which the great nations are built up. He ends the skit with a humorous comment asking his readers never leave a copy of this book around where it might be seen by Todd. So with this, the lesson ends. Let us now discuss some questions. Question number 1. What is the name of Leacock's friend? The name of Leacock's friend is Todd. What did Todd borrow from Leacock? Todd borrowed $1 from Leacock. Why did Todd borrow $1 from Leacock? Todd was about to leave for Bermuda and he didn't have money to pay for the taxi, so he borrowed $1 from Leacock. Did Todd return the dollar he borrowed? No, he did not return the dollar he borrowed. What does Leacock want to remember throughout his life? Leacock wants to remember throughout his life that Todd owes me $1. Did Leacock find the dollar inside the letter sent by Todd from Bermuda? No, Leacock did not find the dollar inside the letter. What did Todd discuss in the letter? Todd did not mention the dollar in the letter, rather he discussed the temperature in Bermuda. Why did Leacock go to the railway station to receive Todd? Leacock went to the railway station to receive Todd because Todd had been away for 3 weeks. He thought he would feel nice if he sees someone waiting for him on the platform. What did Todd say to Leacock about Poland? Todd said that Poland would never pay her debts. What movement does Leacock want to start? Leacock wants to start Back to Honesty movement. Then there is an assignment for you. Answer the following questions in about 75 words. Question number 1. Justify the title My Lost Dollar. This is a very important question and it is asked in the examination. So what you have to write? You have to write here, why did the author give the skit the title My Lost Dollar? Describe the circumstances in which Todd borrowed $1 from Leacock. What circumstances forced Todd to borrow $1 from Leacock? And third question is, what was the painful thought that disturbed Leacock? So these are the questions for assignments. So with this, I conclude today's class. Thank you.